Who was the founder of slave dynasty in India? The correct answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? The correct answer is Razia Sultan. The silver coin Tanka and copper coin Jital were introduced by which sultan? The correct answer is Iltutmish. Who is regarded as the real consolidator of the Delhi Sultanate? The correct answer is Iltutmish. Which ruler made Delhi the capital of Delhi Sultanate? The correct answer is Iltutmish. Which ruler appointed his daughter Razia as his successor? The correct answer is Iltutmish. Razia Sultan awarded the title Amir al Khayal, Amir of Horses, to whom? The correct answer is Jalaluddin Yaqut. The capital of Delhi Sultanate during Qutbuddin Aibak. The correct answer is Lahore. Which Delhi Sultan organized the Chehalgani, the Council of 40? The correct answer is Iltutmish. Which monument was started by Qutbuddin Aibak? The correct answer is Qutub Minar. Which Delhi Sultan introduced the Persian court customs of sajda and paibos? The correct answer is Balban. Qutbuddin Aibak was popularly known as Lal Baksh because of his. The correct answer is generosity. Who among the following defeated Tajuddin Yildiz in the Battle of Tarain? The correct answer is Iltutmish. Qutbuddin Aibak died while playing. The correct answer is polo. Which ruler adopted the title Zile Ilahi, Shadow of God? The correct answer is Balban. The famous reservoir Hauz Shamsi was constructed by which ruler? The correct answer is Iltutmish. The Huwatul Islam Mosque was built by. The correct answer is Aibak. Balban belonged to which group of nobles? The correct answer is Chalisa, Council of 40. Who is known as the slave of a slave? The correct answer is Iltutmish. The slave dynasty is also known as. The correct answer is Mamluk dynasty. The title Shah-e-Sharq, King of the East, was associated with. The correct answer is Iltutmish. The Mamluk dynasty ruled Delhi from. The correct answer is 1206 to 1290. Under which Delhi Sultan did Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji rise to prominence? The correct answer is Balban. Which ruler strengthened the Ikhtar system? The correct answer is Iltutmish. Which dynasty succeeded the slave dynasty? The correct answer is the Khilji dynasty. Which Delhi Sultan was honored with the title Sultan-e-Salatin-e-Sharq? The correct answer is Iltutmish. Who was the last ruler of the slave dynasty? The correct answer is Qayyumars. Who refused to become the Sultan of Delhi after Balban's death? The correct answer is Bukhra Khan. After being captured, Razia Sultan married to whom? The correct answer is Malik al-Tunya. Which ruler is regarded as the last effective ruler of the slave dynasty? The correct answer is Balban. Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji served as the commander of which frontier during Balban's reign? The correct answer is Mughal frontier. Where was the Razia Sultan defeated and assassinated? The correct answer is Kaital. Who became the Sultan of the assassination of Qayyumars? The correct answer is Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji, from where the Khilji dynasty starts.